this is my partner. Her name is Corey. Okay, Corey, wave hello to everyone. Hi. Okay. Now, folks, here at Ocean Adventure, we care so much about the environment. Even our sea lions want to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So guys, are you ready to go?
Let's see, Officer Ruth. Well, yes, we are ready.
Okay, that's good. Now let's show these folks how sharp we are.
No problem.
All right.
Attention!
Good job. Now, to work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. And that is not a problem for Corey and Early because they are South American sea lions, not a seal. But how can we tell? Well, first, they have this big and powerful front flippers. How powerful are they? Well, check this out. Drum roll, please. Great job, Corey. Hey, officer, how's that for strength?
How's that, Early? Not bad.
What do you mean not bad?
Because Early can do better than that.
Okay, we would love to see that.
Alright, Early, step down here. There you're going to show these folks what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please. See that, officer?
Great job there, Early.
Okay.